Off the line, they're pretty much even down the straightaway. Up now over the first jump, it's too close. Welcome to Smashdown, ladies and gentlemen. Week 3 of the November season is finally underway. 8 of the best Diecast monster trucks are going to be throwing it down in the arena for all you great fans out here tonight. Thank you guys for joining us once again. Black Stallion is the truck to beat here tonight, and we're going to see if he can hang on to that flag. But right now, kicking us off in round 1, 𝐾𝐨 is set to take on 𝐿𝐵𝐼𝐻. Bradshaw out of the Crush This race team, Josh Brown and 𝐾𝐨. There they go down the straightaway. 𝐿𝐵𝐼𝐻 with the early lead, but 𝐾𝐨 is right there with him. But it's all Bradshaw inside of 𝐿𝐵𝐼𝐻 over here on the inside lane. He gets a big-time win over Josh Brown and 𝐾𝐨. As we go back down to check out the Crush This replay. Even now, up and over the first jump, a good shootout through no man's land right here. But right there towards the final set of cars, 𝐿𝐵𝐼𝐻 will just edge out 𝐾𝐨 by about a tire length here tonight inside of round 1. So now that we got the first race out of the way, we're going to see how the brackets are going to be breaking down. We saw Bradshaw take on 𝐾𝐨, but up next, Blacksmith set to go one-on-one with 𝐿𝐴𝐸. Velociraptor's back to take on Destroyer, and then Matthew Riley, the longtime veteran in Captain's Curse, is going to be getting first crack at defending champion Joey Andrews inside of the Black Stallion Ford. But right now, coming to the line, a couple of old-time veterans, Nick Parson and Blacksmith. Michael Harry inside of 𝐿𝐴𝐸. Loco, the Crazy Bull, ready to go. We haven't seen him in quite some time. Both trucks stage at the line. Here's the green light down the straightaway, and 𝐿𝐴𝐸 with the early lead, but Blacksmith right there with him, and Nick Parson coming up with it on the big end of the track. He gets the big-time victory over 𝐿𝐴𝐸 here tonight inside of round 1 competition. We go back to the Crush This replay. Again, 𝐿𝐴𝐸 had the slight lead, but Blacksmith starts to make up the ground over the big end of the track. He pulls out a big-time win here tonight, just avoiding the drink down there inside of the shutdown area. But next up here tonight in round 1, Javon Woodrow, Velociraptor out of the Backyard Beast race team on the left-hand side of your screen, taking on Joseph Nelson. Destroyer ready to go on the right-hand side of your screen. Post driver stage, there's the green light, and they're even now, up now over the first jump. What a matchup here! Way too close to call up here in the official booth as Destroyer tags the wall inside of the shutdown area. And what a matchup it was. Javon Woodrow, a longtime competitor on the circuit, as well as Joseph Nelson inside of Destroyer. Even now through no man's land, shootout over the final set of cars, and Destroyer pulls it out here tonight by inches over Javon Woodrow inside of Velociraptor. So Destroyer will be back, but now it's time to close out round 1. Defending champion Joey Andrews and Black Stallion taking on Matt Riley and Captain's Curse, the 41 wheelies. Here's the green light now. Championship flag is on the line. Captain's Curse with the lead on him. Here comes Andrews and Black Stallion on the inside lane, tagging the wall in the shutdown area, but nonetheless, Joey Andrews is having a run of good luck in Black Stallion this November season. As we go back and check out the Crush This replay, coming down that straight stretch right here, Captain's Curse had the slight lead, but here comes Black Stallion now on the inside, and the flag will remain on the Ford out of Hagerstown, Maryland. Black Stallion takes it on into semifinal competition. And ladies and gentlemen, we've got a lot more great racing still to come. There you see most of the trucks down in the pit area, some of them eliminated here tonight in round 1 competition. 𝐿𝐵𝐼𝐻 will be back, and then 𝐿𝐴𝐸 already tired down, ready to hit the road and move on to the next event. But we'll be right back with Smashdown after the break.
This isn't your typical motorsports podcast. You're listening to Crush This, a monster truck podcast presented by High Octane Coffee and J Concepts. A show where we take you inside the minds of your favorite drivers, past and present, of the monster truck industry. And now, your hosts, Bradshaw and 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭. Buckle in. The show starts now.
And be sure to check out the Crush This podcast Tuesday nights right after Smashdown, 8 o'clock Eastern Time, streaming live on YouTube and Facebook. Bradshaw and Dana Goss do such a great job. Right now, we're back here tonight with Smashdown semifinal action getting underway as we're going to take a look at Bradshaw and 𝐿𝐵𝐼𝐻 take on Nick Parson and Blacksmith up first. Then Destroyer's back to take on the champion and Black Stallion. But coming to the line right now, Bradshaw returns out of the Crush This race team. 𝐿𝐵𝐼𝐻, he's still fairly new to the truck. He's getting some driving time here here tonight as he takes on Nick Parson inside of the 41 wheelies at Blacksmith, now staged up on the left-hand side of your screen. Who's going on to the final round showdown, week 3 of the November season? Here's the green light now down the straightaway, even now down the straight stretch, and 𝐿𝐵𝐾 Attack had a lead, but Blacksmith came back on him as he almost puts it in the drink inside of the shutdown area. Blacksmith now will advance on in the semifinal competition here tonight over 𝐿𝐵𝐾 Attack. We take a look at the Crush This replay. 𝐿𝐵𝐾 Attack on the inside lane had a lead, got a little squirrel up there over that first jump, and Blacksmith capitalized. He is your winner here in semifinal action. So now we know Blacksmith is in the finals. Who is he going to meet there? Will it be Joseph Nelson returning in Destroyer, the Ford camp based out of Michigan, or is it going to be defending Smashdown champion Joey Andrews inside of Black Stallion over here out of Hagerstown, Maryland? It's going to be a battle of the Ford Oval Brigade here. Who's going to the finals? The green light goes down, and Stallion's got a whole shot on the Destroyer now, trying to come back, and it's all Joey Andrews. It came down to the wire as it got closer to that finish line, but Black Stallion, I do believe, Black Stallion pulled it out over Joseph Nelson in Destroyer. We're going to go back down and check out the Crush This replay. As you see coming down that straight stretch, Black Stallion about a truck length lead over Destroyer, but right here, Joseph Nelson started to make a comeback, just wasn't enough to get across the finish line first. So Black Stallion will be in the finals. But before we get there, ladies and gentlemen, another trivia question for you. Again, leave your answer down in the comment section below. But what year did Mike Vaters debut Black Stallion 2000? Again, leave your answer down in the comment section below of this video, because right now it is time for the final round showdown. Defending champion Joey Andrews inside of Black Stallion, keeping a run of good luck here on the November season, trying to hang on to that championship flag for the second week in a row. He now takes on Nick Parson in the Blacksmith 41 wheelies. Both of these drivers are staged up at the line. Andrews would love to keep that flag on the back of that truck. Nick Parson at Blacksmith would love to take it away. Who's going to take the championship? There's the green light. Side by side they go. Up now over the first jump, and Blacksmith will pull out a win over Joey Andrews and Black Stallion. What a great matchup it was for the final round showdown. Nothing to be ashamed of from Joey Andrews. He won the flag last week and made it all the way back to the finals this week. But right here in the final round showdown, it came down to the shootout over the last set of cars, and Blacksmith pulls it out by a little less than a whole truck length here tonight. A good run by Black Stallion as well, but Nick Parson will take the win here tonight. So ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in his MTA career, give it up for your Smashdown winner here tonight, Nick Parson in Blacksmith. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for coming out and joining us week 3 of the November season here tonight on Smashdown. We hope you enjoyed the great side-by-side Diecast Monster Truck Racing. As always, be sure to crush that subscribe button. I'll catch you down the road. Hey, where's Gary at? He was supposed to be here tonight.